It went in the right direction and everything. Well, almost. The fifth time I aimed straight ahead. I thought it was great, but the people on the street didn't. The next time I looked for a quiet spot, some place where I could be myself. Well, almost by myself. Soon I could do it almost perfectly. I practiced everywhere. In the bathroom, on the grass, against a tree, against the wall, and soon it worked everywhere too. Finally I was ready. I was ready to stand up next to my dad. He looked over and winked at me. Nathan, come here. You got scared of it.
Nathan, say hi.